Assembly Manual for Cobogó Ipsilon in metal structure or masonry. To begin assembly, it's necessary to have the project in hand to check the spacing, as indicated by the designer. Distribute the pieces according to the measurements specified in your project to verify that the spacing is correct. The mortar used for the installation is AC3. The first piece to be installed on the wall should be cut to have a larger contact surface and therefore greater adherence. If there's paint on the wall, peel off the surface layer before installing the piece. Do the same on the other side, passing a line between them and start installing the other pieces. Remember to use spacers of at least 8 mm. If the structure is metal, the first piece to be glued to the structure must be cut to have a larger contact surface, and for its fixing, specific metal glue should be used. We recommend Sika Flex 118 Extreme Grab. Glue one piece at each end. Pass the line and start the installation. Every 2 rows of height, it's necessary to make the anchoring both in the metal structure and in the masonry wall, using a foot of at least 4.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Built with iron of at least 6 millimeters in masonry, it will be necessary to make a hole in the wall to place the T to make the anchoring. In metal structure, it's necessary to weld the T-piece to the structure to establish the anchoring of the pieces. This process must be repeated every 2 rows, both in the metal structure and in the masonry structure. Remember that the maximum distance between the span is 2 meters wide by 2 and 80 meters high, both in masonry and metal structure. Every 3 rows of installed pieces, wait for a drying time of approximately 2 hours to install a new layer of pieces, always repeating the same process every 3 rows. For cleaning the pieces, a sponge and spatula can be used. Remember not to let the mortar dry too much. Cleaning should be done every 1 hour and 30 minutes to prevent the mortar from drying completely, thus making the cleaning procedure more difficult. Repeat the process until the project is completed.